In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw stablecoins and crypto assets easily with the recent changes to Binance US. If you're ready to make a smooth transition from your Binance account to a different platform or wallet, you're in the right place. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident during your withdrawal. First, let's get started by opening your Binance or Binance US app. Once you've got the app open, make sure that you're logged into your account. This may seem straightforward, but keeping your login credentials secure is crucial for protecting your assets. Next, navigate to the Assets section of your app. You should see a Send option there. Selecting this will take you to the page where you can begin the withdrawal process. It's on this page where you will initiate the on-chain withdrawal, so go ahead and select the on-chain withdraw option. Once you're in the on-chain withdrawal section, you'll want to choose which stablecoin you plan to withdraw. Binance provides a range of options to pick from, so make sure you select the one that best fits your needs. Whether it's USD Coin, Tether, or another stablecoin, ensuring that it's the correct one is crucial to avoid any transaction issues. Now it's time to enter the destination wallet address. Whether you're transferring to a platform like Coinbase or an external wallet, double check that the address is correct. It's very important to enter the accurate address here, as mistyping could result in a permanent loss of the funds you're trying to transfer. I recommend copying and pasting the address whenever possible to minimize errors. After you've entered the destination wallet address, you'll be prompted to choose a blockchain network. This could be something like ERC20 or BNB. The network you choose will depend on the type you've been using or the one supported by your destination wallet. Each has different fee structures and transaction times, so make sure you're aware of these before making your decision. Finally, once all the details have been correctly entered, you'll find the option to tap on Withdraw. At this point, carefully review all the information, the stablecoin type, the wallet address, and the network before you confirm the withdrawal. If everything looks good, go ahead and tap Withdraw to complete the process. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to withdraw your stablecoins and crypto assets amid the changes with Binance US. Remember, executing these steps requires attention to detail, especially with wallet addresses and network selections, to safeguard your transactions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides on managing your crypto assets.